Hello my friends and welcome to the practice. If you've been following my channel for a few years now, you probably know that I really like to practice outside. I also like to film and find special places so I can bring a little bit of nature to you. So I found a place like this. We're in the middle of the forest and we have a beautiful carpet of violet flowers. I really need to look up those flowers because I've never seen something like this before. And they're actually stretching all the way for maybe half a kilometer or even further down into the forest and into the valley. So I hope this scenery, the sounds of the birds will bring you joy as you practice with me. Today we're going to be doing a 15-minute full body daily Qigong routine. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief, or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenygray.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position. Take a moment to adjust your alignment, adjust your posture, keeping your spine nice and long, your tailbone tucked in, lengthening down to help you relax and open your lower back, sinking into the hips. Unlock your knees and keep your feet flat, firmly planted on the ground. Let's begin working from top to bottom, looking up, warming up the muscles of the neck. Once more. Return to center, left and right. Go easy on your neck, especially if this is your first exercise of the day. Let those muscles to warm up. Once more. Come back. Shrug your shoulders on an inhale. On an exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale down. Nice controlled movement. Generating effort to squeeze and awaken those muscles, and then full release down. Very good. Once more. Relax. From here, keeping a good posture, begin rotating your arm. Nice, good rotation for the shoulder. Once more. Very good. Same arm, send them back. Very, very good. Same on other side. I have a squirrel running off the tree right there. It's absolutely magical. I hope you can feel positive, calm, nourishing energy Very good. Focus. Change direction. Three more to go. And once more. Very good. Free up, release. From here, we go down to the hips. Feel free to let your hands rest if it feels intuitively better, pleasant. I always say you can follow the instructions or guidance, but you need to trust yourself. You need to listen to your body. And the more times you can listen to your body, the more moments you have kind of building that connection, the more benefits you gain from your practice. Not just the Qigong, it can be yoga, it can be even fitness. Kind of understanding yourself is a very, very important step in developing your practice. And then change direction. Nice roundness, nice kind of soft movement, trying to hydrate and lubricate the joints by working the muscles around them. Very good. Once more. Coming back. Release. Going down to the knees. Gentle circles starting outward. And then change, go in. In the meantime, your hands are bringing extra warmth, extra awareness to your knee joints. Very good. Coming back, knees forward, head up. From here, toe raises up and then down, bending the knees. Coming up, sinking down. Keep your spine fairly straight. And again. Good. Standing up, give your legs a little free time. Shake it to the side, creating space, letting the chi and blood to flow. Good. Next, moving up to warm up the spine. I think side view is better here. So bringing your hands in front of the chest. On an inhale, open up. On an exhale, tucking everything in. Inhale, opening up. Exhale, curling. Nice and controlled. Making sure your breath is consistent. It's even inhalation, even exhalation. This feels really nice for the upper back, upper chest. Really good for regulating the chi and the chest area, opening the heart center. And it's nice warm-up for the spine. Keep doing it in your own rhythm. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. And let your hands relax. Very good. From here, we're going to do the exercise called the fountain. Another way to quickly boost the chi flow through the body, good for the mornings. Arms come overhead. Inhale, and on an exhale, like a waterfall, creating this down flow. Pushing off the ground, your eyes follow your head. This is a good exercise for the neck. And then you flow down again. Turn to the other side, opening the chest, breathing in. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale down. This exercise works your lower body, works your spine, works your upper body, works your neck, and even your eyes. Exhale forward. Inhale, opening up. Exhale forward. Beautiful. Once more on each side. Exhale. Very good. And then let your hands calm down. One turns, another one kind of facing each other. Make sure you have a comfortable stance and you begin to push as you turn to the back, pushing against the current. And then flip your palms and begin to push in the opposite direction. Slowly build in some awareness and the chi between your palms. Make it smooth, make it pleasant. At the same time, nice rotation for the spine. The slower you go, the more chi you can feel. The more awareness you have of your body. So your spine here is nice and straight. The crown of the head reaching upwards. Your tailbone is pointing downward. Your hips and knees are unlocked. This is absolutely beautiful. What nature creates. Very good. Just keep stretching your lower back. Only turn to a point that feels within your range of motion, that feels good. And once more to the other side. Very good. Coming back to center. And then placing the hands on the lower back. Moving clockwise. We're going to circle the hips with an emphasis on the lower back. Your hands are now bringing some warmth to your lower back area. It feels comforting, feels pleasant. Trying to cultivate those sensations, those feelings in your body as you practice. Feel how that warmth slowly penetrating into your lower back, filling up the entire space. Very good. And then return to center. From here, gently push your lower back forward. Look up. Release the position with a straight back, stretching and strengthening the lower back and the kidneys, coming down the back of the legs, nice and slow as you can afford, as low as you can feel good. Hello, flower. Brush your toes, and on an inhale, also with a straight back, you raise up, leading the chi on the inner leg and into the lower dantian. Completing the circle, moving to the kidneys, push forward. Release, going down. Stretch, stretch, stretch. On the inhale, coming up. And relaxing. We'll repeat a few more times. Taking your time to experience the stretch, the effort. And then, of course, relaxation, going down. Release in the back of the neck. Letting the chi circulate through your spine into the head. Coming up. One more to go. Push forward. And finish. Take a nice deep breath in into your belly. Exhale, soften. Inhale. And exhale. Stay here for a few seconds or minutes, breathing into your belly. Allow your mind to be quiet, centering, grounding, and breathing. Very good. Once you finish, rub your belly clockwise. This helps to regulate the chi in the abdominal area. Concentrate and accumulate the chi in the lower dantian. Let your hands relax, feet together, and finish your practice. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope this video brought a little bit of nature into your home. I hope you enjoy the sights and sounds. Of course, the routine. I hope you feel much better after doing this session with me. And as always, if you got value, support us. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and check out my membership site for more detailed courses, tutorials, special content, and weekly live class every Sunday. I'll leave more information for you in the description below this video. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you soon.